Hello everyone, welcome back to Tesla Living. In today's video, we'll be discussing a couple of accessories that I use that help me with my Tesla Model 3's maintenance and day-to-day driving. But before that, I'm not really sure what's with me and my car, but whenever I give it a wash, within a couple of days, it does have all the dirt that it can attract. Either we got plenty of rain and that just covers my car in dirt, or in this case, as you can see, there's a lot of bird poo on the car. The first accessory would have to be something which I believe helps me to avoid going to a fuel station altogether. Before buying a Tesla Model 3, it was a regular frustration of visiting a fuel station, looking at the fuel prices, as well as if we visit a fuel station at a busy time, having to go through waiting times of getting the fuel filled. And the accessory that we have firstly is a air pump. So air pump that I use is Xiaomi's air pump. This air pump I bought with an electric scooter, and I decided to sell the electric scooter because I wasn't using it, but I decided to keep the pump. And it's perfect for inflating the tires. It's portable, it's small, it's rechargeable, and it has helped me in quite a few times when you are in a rush and you see that warning of your tire having not the proper air pressure. The first thing you'll notice about this pump is how compact and portable it is. You can charge it via a USB cable down here, and once charged, it's good to go for at least a couple of rounds for filling up my car. And I don't worry too much about charging it, and you can always use the inbuilt car charger that you have in the car to charge this pump. And as soon as you take out this lead, the pump automatically picks up and shows you a bright screen display where you can set what PSI level you want the tires to be inflated to. Currently I've set it to 45. Tesla recommends your car tires to be inflated anywhere between 42 to 45. I keep it on the top end because it allows me to drive the car smoother, although it's a bit more noisy, but I don't mind the noise given that the car does have a decent audio system. Now to use the pump, all you have to do is plug it in, set the level of PSI that you want the car to be pumped to, and switch it on. The second accessory is a organizer for the boot. Although Tesla does have a lot of spaces to store your stuff, like there's a under boot storage, there's a frunk, but it's always handy to have a organizer on its own. So in this organizer, I have a section where I store my vacuum cleaner. I have these little pockets where I store my pump and any cleaning clothes if I have any. And this section I keep my shopping bags in there, so I'm always carrying some bags to save on not having to buy the plastic bags. So the last accessory that we have for this video is a portable vacuum cleaner. I bought this vacuum cleaner because of the heavy discount that it had because of Easter, and it's a Eufy vacuum cleaner. I think the advantage of having a portable vacuum cleaner is not having to worry about my other vacuum cleaner that I use for home, because that's a standing vacuum cleaner, and when I vacuum my car with it, there's always a potential risk of the vacuum cleaner actually falling on the doors or on the side of the car, which can damage the paintwork. And hence it was a good idea to invest in the portable vacuum cleaner. Although the reason I bought it was because it was on a heavy discount. It's a $300 vacuum cleaner which was on 50% off at the time. Unfortunately, I was not able to find any reliable reviews on the web for this one, because all the reviews that were on YouTube were either sponsored by Eufy, or Eufy have given out the vacuum cleaner to test to the YouTube influencers, and hence it was not super helpful. Although it looked promising, and given that it's a $300 vacuum, they must be doing something right, and the fact that I got it on 50% off wasn't such a bad deal. I'll try it out and see how that goes. From my initial impressions of unboxing it, it looked great, it worked fine, and it does have some power to it as well. And the best part is it's so sleek and small that it will help reach out to the crevices between the seats, as well as all the hard to reach out areas with the other vacuum. And the best part is it's portable, it's battery operated, so you don't have to worry about any wires. You can vacuum your car whenever you want, with the convenience of just picking the vacuum up, bringing it to the car, and just cleaning it. So that's it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.